is Chandra and welcome to our weekly nature scavenger hunt. If you're out in nature or just walking around your neighborhood, take a close look around and see if you can find some of these. Look for a bird's nest or nature pushing up through concrete, a tree that reminds you of yourself, a twig shaped like a letter, a flowering bush, something that doesn't belong, and a perfect climbing tree. Tell us what you found in the comments or tag us on social media. Join us next week for another Nature Scavenger Hunt.